Imagine a life where you feel completely balanced, where your energy flows freely, and every part of your being is in harmony. What if I told you that achieving this state of balance is not only possible, but within your control? In today's video, we'll explore the ancient practice of chakra healing and how aligning your energy centers can transform your life. Stay tuned to discover practical tips and insights that will help you unlock better health, peace, and a deeper connection with yourself. Chakras are the 7 energy centers in our body that control everything from our emotional well-being to our physical health. The word chakra comes from Sanskrit and means wheel, symbolizing how energy should constantly be spinning and flowing through us. When these energy centers are blocked or unbalanced, it can affect everything in our lives, from our mood to our relationships and even our health. But when we restore balance to these centers, we can experience profound well-being. Let's break it down. The root chakra, located at the base of the spine, is your foundation, connecting you to the earth and providing a sense of stability. When balanced, it brings a sense of security and safety. But when blocked, it can lead to feelings of anxiety or fear. The sacral chakra, just below the belly button, governs your creativity and emotions. Balancing this chakra allows your creative energies to flow freely, while an imbalance may cause you to feel stuck or uninspired. Moving upward, the solar plexus chakra is your center of personal power and confidence. A strong solar plexus chakra enables you to take action and pursue your dreams, while a weak one can leave you feeling powerless or uncertain. The heart chakra, right at the center of your chest, governs love and compassion, not just for others, but also for yourself. When open, you feel connected and empathetic, but when blocked, it can cause loneliness or difficulty forming healthy relationships. The throat chakra is the center of communication, allowing you to express your truth with confidence. Balancing this chakra enables clear, authentic communication, while an imbalance might result in misunderstandings or difficulty speaking your mind. The third eye chakra, located in the center of your forehead, is your center of intuition and wisdom. When in harmony, this chakra provides clarity of thought and insight, but when blocked, it can create confusion or difficulty trusting your instincts. Finally, the crown chakra, at the top of your head, connects you to the divine, to your higher self, and the universe. When balanced, it fosters a sense of spiritual connection, while blockages here may lead to feelings of isolation or disconnection from your purpose. So how can you balance these powerful energy centers? Simple practices like meditation, visualization, yoga, and mindful breathing can work wonders. Imagine sitting in a peaceful space, focusing on each chakra one by one, breathing deeply and visualizing vibrant colors associated with each center. Red for the root, orange for the sacral, yellow for the solar plexus, green for the heart, blue for the throat, indigo for the third eye, and violet for the crown. As you focus on each chakra, imagine a warm light healing and restoring balance, allowing the energy to flow freely. You can also use crystals, essential oils, and even certain foods to support chakra balancing. For example, grounding stones like red jasper or foods like root vegetables can nourish your root chakra, while citrus fruits or creative activities can stimulate your sacral chakra. Incorporating these tools into your daily life helps maintain balance and promotes overall well-being. By taking care of your chakras, you can unlock a new level of health, vitality, and peace. When your energy flows freely, your life naturally begins to transform. Remember, the journey of healing is personal and unique to everyone, so take it one step at a time. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your energy, well-being, and personal growth. And don't forget to like this video and share your experience in the comments below. Your healing journey starts now.